Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing well and hope you all have watched my previous hacks and tricks on Instagram. That is how to increase your followers and how to copy your Instagram URL. Hope you all have liked it. Today I have come you to show some new features of Instagram. That is how you can convert your personal account of Instagram to a business account. So let's get started. First you have to go to your Instagram app. After you go to your Instagram app, then go to your own profile. After you go to your own profile, here we can see in the top right corner that is 3 single lines. In this 3 single lines, you have to tap it. After tapping this, you need to go to settings. After going to settings, you need to go to your account, this account option. In account option, we can see in this blue color that is switch to professional account. When you click on this professional account, then you will get 2 options. That is, you need to create an account which is a creator account, or you need to create this account as a business account. Suppose you need to create an account as a business account, then go to this business option and click on next. Then click on continue. Learn about your followers, continue. Reach your customers, continue. Get new contact options, continue. Now here you need to select a category, that is what type of business account is this. Here you will get many suggested options. Suppose this is your music or band, then click on musician or band and click on next. Now here public business information. In this public business information you can add your email ID, phone number, business address if you want, and if you don't want to share your contact info, then you can go down and see don't use my contact info and click here. Then here you will get several similar accounts which you can follow so that you can get a proper reach. Then click on, if you follow, then click on follow. Otherwise, if you want to skip this step, then click on next. If you have a Facebook page, then choose your page. Otherwise, you can click on don't connect to Facebook now. And now you are all set. Just click on go to profile and he can see here, find your insights and promotions here. That means your business account is created. If you want to promote any thing which you have shared, suppose I want to promote this picture, so click on this picture and here we can see promote and view insights. In view insights we can see how many likes we have got, how many comments we have got. You can share it and we can see the reach of this. And in promote option you can promote this picture. Now we need to select where to send this people. You can select several options, that is your profile, your website, your direct messages. Suppose I am clicking on your profile, then tap this arrow, then we will get audience. That you can select whether Instagram will select audience for you, or there is another option, that is you can manually target your audience. Suppose I am clicking on automatic, then click on next. Then here we can get the budget and duration. The minimum budget is 80 rupees per day and the maximum budget is 40,000 per day. You can choose any of the three. And duration is minimum 1 day and maximum is 30 days. You can choose any of the things. Suppose I choose 80 rupees per day and that is for 3 days. I want to run my ad for 80 rupees per day and that is for 3 days. Then click on next. Here we can see the destination, the audience, the budget, that is total is 240 rupees because 80 into 3 is 240 and it is going for, we are running this ad for 3 days. Here we can get an estimate of our budget including the tax. Now I have not made any payment. You can go to this payment option, this right arrow, and make your payment. Then click on this create promotion and your promotion will be started. That is, your ad will start running. I will show you how to promote your Instagram stories. Go to your stories and click on more. Here we can tag a business partner. If you have any business partner, then you can tag it. That is, you can brand your content. Then you have to click how many people have seen it, seen by one suppose. Then here we can see the insights. If we have any insights, right now I don't have any insights available. Now after many people will see your story, you will get here insights available. You can see how many people have watched, and this arrow going up, click on this arrow. Then in the similar way you can promote your Instagram stories. Thank you friends, I hope this video will be useful. Those who want to start a new business and promote their business with the help of Instagram. If you like this video, then put the thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you are notified each time I upload a new video.